long time since we had date night.
Yeah.
We used to have it more before we had the baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, we used to.
Baby took all my time.
I was going to do the date night, but
You know you can't make shrimp.
John, I can make shrimp. What can I do to it? I'm like, no. Did I ever make shrimp?
Not that I know.
Whatever, but I think I can make something of it.
Yeah.
What do you think I do a shrimp dinner one night and surprise you?
It's fine as long as you don't make a mess of it.
No, you know what? I'm going to do like a fine dine dinner for you.
Oh, really? With shrimp?
No, not with shrimp. I didn't say with shrimp. Just with something else.
Oh, see,
What
I
do you
thought we
think?
were talking about shrimps.
I mostly like cook Jamaican food.
Yeah, I was going to say you
'Cause
cook Jamaican very well.
like all these stuff down do. I really can't do it, but I'm going to try and do you like a fine dine dinner cook you. What do you think?
It's okay.
Something, what about steak? You think I can cook steak? Or it's a challenge?
Excuse me for a second.
No, come here. Listen, I'm going to cook steak for Dan one day. I think I did a video like a year and a half ago. I don't know where that video is. I think Dan deleted it. Did you?
I didn't delete anything.
I still can't find it. I had Dan to, sit around the table and he was like, when he tasted it, I think he didn't like it. You were
No,
just
it was
pretending.
okay. It's okay. I
Right?
liked it, yeah. I wouldn't pretend with you with food. You know, I ain't scared.
Well, I'm going to think of something hard. I don't want anything easy. What about you give me? No, I'll choose from your cookbook.
Oh, really?
I'll choose from your recipe. Anyway, Don is making shrimp. I'm excited. I'm not a fan of shrimp, but I do eat it every now and then. Anytime, what do you think?
What do I think? I think that you're sexy and I love you.
You love me?
Hmm?
Are we going to have baby with us? I think we're going to hang out with the baby.
Yeah.
She's not going anywhere. I think this date night we're going to include the baby. She's going to be with us because
Yeah.
she's not going anywhere.
She ain't gonna tell anyway.
Tell what? Don, don't be rude. We're not yet. Tell, I don't know what you're talking about. Time Don is cooking, I want to introduce to you, I think I've spoken about these perfumes some months ago and I'm loving their scent. It smells so good. Perfume is called Dossier and they kindly sent me 3 scents this time. I think I reviewed 2 scents the last time. Also 1 for Don. Yes, I know Dan is very picky when it comes to his cologne, but I decided to get him 1. So this is what the package looks like. And I'm going to open this one for you. This one is the Oriental Woody Six. What I love about their perfume, and I decided to use them again, is that they're vegan. And they're cruelty free. This scent is inspired by Tom Ford's Black Orchid. It comes with a little card to give you all the details and explain how it works. So scent, it does come with a little sampler. So you test it out. If you don't like it, 100% guaranteed getting a refund. This is the bigger bottle. Isn't this cute? I don't know. I love how simple and cute their packaging is. Let me smell this one. Oh, it's not that bad. I think for this one, it's not for me. Yeah. This is the man one. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. And I don't like strong perfume. This one is a little bit strong, but I'm not sneezing. I'm not sneezing because the thing is, I'm very picky with perfume because if it's too strong, then I'm sneezing the whole place down. Here it comes. Yeah, I think I'm going to sneeze. Yeah, this one is a bit too strong. I can feel my nose burning. Oh my God, that is my sinus. So I'm not liking that one. This one is called the Fresh Woody Six. And this one is inspired by YSL. And this is it, the same packaging. I'm going to smell this one. And here's the little sampler. Here on the nose, they do tell you what the ingredients are. This one does have bergamot, don't know what that is, but I'll look it up, and ginger, apple, and sage, juniper, berry, and all of that. But I'm going to test this one out. Hopefully it's not as harsh as that one. Oh my goodness, this one smells so good. Oh my goodness, I love this one. I love this one. Oh my gosh, this is definitely a keeper, and it's not bothering my nose, so this one is definitely a keeper. Actually on their website, they're all like $29.99, so you're getting the luxury perfume for less. Third one that I'm going to open. One is the Oriental Woody 7, and this is inspired by Victor and Wolf Flower Bomb. That's why I get this one, because I know what the actual flower bomb is. I do like that perfume, not a lot, but I do like it somehow, and this is it. Oh my goodness, it does smell like it. This smells so good. Favorite is this one, the Fresh Woody 6. It's more clean of a clean scent, and you know, it's not harsh to me. So if you're a person where you can handle harsh perfume, I'm not saying that they're harsh, because it's not really harsh. It's just that the first one is a bit stronger, that Man Cologne. I'm going to get myself ready. Actually, I'm ready. I'm going to comb my hair, fix it up a bit, and I'm going to be putting on the YSL. So I'm going to spray up a bit. Let me go ahead, and I shall join the husband, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. And I'm going to be leaving all the information in the description box down below, so you can go ahead and get their perfume. I'm going to leave a discount code in the description box down below.